Wind energy is the renewable energy of the future. It is becoming increasingly popular nationwide by growing 35% in the last 10 years. Many countries are realizing that wind energy is the most powerful form of renewable energy. The United States is transforming itself into a wind energy producing nation with over 900 wind projects in the 39 states, including Puerto Rico. These projects will help to lower the cost of energy production and also produce clean, efficient energy for homes and businesses. Wind is produced by the uneven heating of the atmosphere of the sun, causing air to move around the Earth's surface. Using wind to our advantage is a great way to help conserve our Earth. Wind energy is important because it is eco-friendly, produces large amounts of energy, and it will help create many jobs.
Wind energy is one of the fastest growing forms of renewable energy in the world. The use of wind in order to create energy all starts with the wind turbine. A wind turbine creates energy from the spinning of its blades as the wind blows. These turbine blades rotate 70 to 80% of the time at 15 to 20 revolutions per minute. These turbines can be barely audible. At the distance of 400 meters or 1/4 mile, a wind turbine can sound like a refrigerator. In addition to them being quiet, wind turbines only use less than 1 acre of land. The rest of the area around each turbine can be used for farming or for conservational reasons.
The ecological benefits of wind energy are astounding. Wind turbines use clean energy to bring power to the homes of our people. Since there is no pollution, wind energy cannot create health hazards or waste hazards. Wind turbines don't use water like coal does, and it can save about 174,000 baths of water over 1 year. Since no water is being used unnecessarily for wind energy, the water can be used for other energy means such as hydroelectricity. Carbon emissions could be reduced by half if wide use started now. No carbon emissions will mean no harm to the ozone, which means more protection from the UV rays of the sun. In America, wind energy could provide 20% of America's power. If wind energy could power 20% of a country leading the world in energy consumption, it would also have a great effect on the rest of the world. Conserving the environment is not the only benefit of wind energy.
Wind energy is a type of renewable energy that can help generate energy for the rest of eternity. One wind turbine can power 1,219 homes. Powering that many homes without hurting the earth is essential to keep the world running. Wind turbines power a lot more area and produce more energy than solar panels. One wind turbine produces the same amount of power as 16,000 solar panels. Wind energy is fairly new, so there are many improvements being made. Wind energy's production has grown by 39% each year from 2004 to 2009. Since wind energy is growing in production, it can only get better in the years to come. Creating a new, clean way of energy is essential for the future, and wind energy is a great way to produce energy.
Wind energy is also beneficial to the economy. In the United States, 75,000 people are employed in wind power-related jobs. Creating jobs is an important part of the future to keep our economy running smoothly. In the lifetime of operating a wind farm, which includes planning, building, and organizing, 1,079 jobs are created in the process. The types of skills used in operating a wind farm are not any more challenging than most other jobs, which makes it easier to hire people. Wind energy is also more cost efficient than the other forms of green energy, with costs decreasing by 90% from 1980. Having an affordable source of clean energy is the most important part of how renewable energy can help the economy.
Wind energy is eco-friendly, can provide more than enough energy for the future and benefit the economy. In order for the future to have hope, converting to wind energy in the years to come is essential. Having a clean and cost-efficient form of energy is extremely important to hold a great future. Some people might say there are cheaper ways to produce energy, but those ways will not last forever in the same way that wind energy will. Others say wind energy is too expensive, but wind energy will become cheaper in the long run, with it basically being a one-time payment because wind is everlasting. The future is wind, and converting to it is completely the first step.